Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable lazy loading in Next.js images for UI screenshot accuracy, complete guide step by step clearly. To disable lazy loading for images in Next.js, first, locate your image component within your code. Open the file where the image is being utilized. If you are using the standard Next.js image component, it should look something like this. Identify the component, typically written as image/. Inside the image component, you will find various props. One of the props is loading, which controls lazy loading functionality. By default, this prop is set to lazy. Change the value of the loading prop to eager. This adjustment will ensure that the image loads immediately. Next, save your changes to the file. Now, navigate to your browser and refresh the page. Observe that the image loads without delay. For additional accuracy in your UI screenshots, you may consider disabling lazy loading across multiple images. In such cases, you can apply this change uniformly throughout your project. Locate all your image components. Manually change each loading prop value to eager. Alternatively, you can create a wrapper component around the Next.js image. This wrapper can implement eager loading by default for all images used within it. To create this wrapper, construct a new functional component. In the component, return the Next.js image component with the loading prop set to eager. After making all necessary changes, save your files once more. Revisit your browser and refresh the page again. With these adjustments, you'll achieve greater accuracy in your UI screenshots by disabling lazy loading in Next.js images. Now you can capture your user interface effectively without interruptions from lazy loading. This method ensures that every image appears fully loaded for screenshot purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.